Alam niyo, usong-uso ngayon ng pagjo-jogging, people are looking for open ear types of earphones instead of those bud types. Mas prefer ng mga tao na naririnig pa rin nila ang outer surroundings nila. And I can think of a better way to enjoy your fitness journey while listening to music. This is the Soundcore V20i. So you have your charging case over here. Once you open that, the earphones are inside. By the way, it has strong magnets in the case. And what you do is just hook these earphones on your ear like so. It also has an adjustment on your ears, so it doesn't matter what size or how large your ears are. I've been enjoying these earphones for a couple of days now. I was using it in the office, while exercising, and even as I was sleeping. Customizable rin yung controls nito once you download the application. It also has a light indicator over here. I've been using Soundcore products for a very long time now, and they do not disappoint. You have different options on these earphones. You have the white, the black, and the blue one. Well, yun lang naman ang masasabi ko dito sa V20i ni Soundcore. It's really straightforward, sobrang ganda na sound quality, okay ang controls, at sobrang comfortable niya pag sinusuot mo. So if you're interested in buying the V20i of Soundcore, make sure to check the comment section for the links.